Hi everybody. Today, we're back in My Cat Army, and then right now we have a lot of cats. So we can buy a lot of upgrades. Okay, quick damage. Then we need our base health. Okay. Scythe cat. We have the scythe cat now. Oh, I got off my money. Yes, I need the off my money. Yes, let's go off my money rocks. Look, I'm just buying a lot of. Okay. Yo, we're actually the best right now. Oh no. The enemy's base upgraded. I forgot. In the last video, they upgraded. Scythe cats, you can do this. Oh, look, I'm whistling. Bro, why is his hat so sus? Yeah, these guys are no match, Rainbow. Backup's coming, don't worry. Yo, let's go. Yo, did bro just one shot? No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Wait, what? Yo, what? Yo, they have cannonball launcher thingies. Yo, that's not fair. Oh no, we're cooked. No, our base died. No. Yo, the base actually looks kind of cool. What do we need for evolution? 16k. Oh wait, we can buy egg. Egg, here we go. Hyena. Not another hyena. So there'll be new pets soon. So, cheetah. Elephant, cheetah, walrus, hyena. Okay. Oh, okay. Now let's do battle. Bring it on! Okay. This guy has a disadvantage. Oh, backup's coming, don't worry. Don't worry, backup's coming. Oh, this is your bull guy. Yes. Oh my god, there's so many. Yo, there's like 500 billion people. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, we can rebirth. But not rebirth, but evolve into a different timeline. And we'll come back here stronger. No! Our base. Okay. Now we're not gonna spend no money on that. We're gonna spend money on evolution. Yo, I'm not in the time machine. I'm sitting in midair. Don't get it. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, now we have these guys. This guy is the guy with the Ligurinary. I don't know how to pronounce that, okay? Okay? We have that cat, and then we have the cat that has bow and arrow, and the cannonball cat. Okay, let's get right into it. Battle time. No, they're actually cooked. Bing it on. Okay. I'm on timeline 2 unlike everybody else. Everybody else here is noobs. Yeah. I don't even need to do anything, bro. I can just wait here. Bro, can they one shot the base? No, they cannot one shot the base. I only have 2 cats here. Yo, why are there so many cats? They're crowded. Okay, good. Nice. Okay, we're getting money. A lot. They're cooked. Yo, look how many cats are here. Let's go. My cats. Okay, let's see how much we need for next. Renaissance. Under 31k. Okay. Bet. I remember when I was this age. I wonder if there's a way to go back into ages before. Like, you know, like our eggs. Egg. I know. Okay. I wanna index. I wanna go back. H1, H2. H3. H4. 5. H6. Okay. I wonder if I can like go back an age. Like, that'd be kind of cool. Like, guys, do you guys know how to go back age? Please tell me. If you know. Okay? Like, this is evolution. Can you de-evolve? Please? Nope. Okay. Back to battle. I am just a chill guy. Oh my god, getting fish takes forever. But I'm just punching and beating up this guy for no reason. Oh, it's so hard to wait. Okay. Oh. You just got a lot of money. Yes, backup's coming. Perfect backup. Yo, boat is getting beaten up. Oh, another one's coming. It's those scythe cats again. I don't think we're gonna make it, no. Yo, bro, we're actually cooked. No, we're cooked, bro. Like, how are we supposed to win this without, like, getting more... Yo, let me... Fish production, please. I need this. Better. Better fish. Even more fish now. He has a disadvantage. Cook him. Cook him. Cook him. Cook him. Cook him. Let's go. Good boy. Cook him. Cook him. Disadvantages. Cook him. Cook him. Nice, good boy, cats. Backup is coming a lot. Okay. A lot of backup is coming, guys. You don't have to worry about losing. Yo, I'm just getting a lot of money just chilling here. I need to upgrade the fish, bro. It's taking forever. Huh. They're cooked. Let's go. Thank you guys. Cat's the goat. Was this the elephant egg? Yep, this is the elephant egg. Okay. Please, I need more. Okay. Now they have the same exact base as us. Oh no, why is it a 2v1? That's not fair. How did they get to spawn 2 guys at the start? Now it's fair. Like, their guys are weaker than my guys. I don't know why. So they already have actually a disadvantage. Yeah, my guys are stronger than their guys. Yo, I'm just getting money randomly. Oh no 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 no. No, 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 please, no, 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 no. They're just one-shotting on my cats. No. La, cannonball missed. Please. Okay. No. Give me my next cat. I think you can. Seriously, 9.6. Dude. Oh. Oh. 2 kitty cat meow meows versus 1 kitty cat meow meow. That ain't fair. They probably don't care though because, well, they're just like that. Okay. Nice. Really? Not nice. Not that nice. Okay, I'm gonna end the wave. My base randomly died from nothing. Help. I'm a little stuck here. I need to wait for this battle to end. Oh no. Help me, I'm stuck. No. Oh no, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Don't worry guys, this totally happens a lot. Help. Help me, I'm stuck. Help me. Help me. Help. I'm just spam clicking every button I can though. I'm just stuck in here. I can do nothing. This always happens, getting glitched inside enemies' base. Ah. 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 Help. Now I'm spawning more of the sweet cats. Now we start spawning more of the other cats. Okay. How good are we even doing? Okay. Well, one thing for sure, we're not doing too good. We need more warrior cats than these. Now we need more bow and arrow cats. Please, I'm stuck. Yo. Is my base gonna squash me? Oh, oh no, no, I can't get up. I can't get up. Not again. Oh, hey, we can buy a new one. And we can still afford this. Totally. Yes, I'm out. Wow, you can't get me. Kaboom! Kaboom! Cooked. Kaboom! 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 Rest in peace, the kitty cats got hit by a cannonball. Loud. Yo, they're cooked. They're cooked. The cats are cooked, bro. We have cannonballs. That is sort of OP. Look at the cannonball cats go! Look at us go! Let's go, bro. Yo, we're just chilling here. I'm just chilling, waiting for them to, yeah, kind of oof. Is it gonna be cannonball versus cannonball? Soon? I have a lot of cannonball cats on me. Yep, it's cannonball versus cannonball, and they're kind of cooked. Yo, look at these cannonball cats go. Oh, another one's coming in. 670 health! Another 670 health! Yo, so many cats are glitched into each other. Uh-oh, find a way. Yo, all my cats are just getting exploded. What happened? What happened to everybody? No, please. Ready up. Oh, sorry. You're not really doing nothing though. Oh, we actually did. Azur, thank you. Shout out to Azur. Shout out. He actually saved me. He actually saved me, bro. Even though he's on a lower level than me, he's still on timeline 1. But he helped. That's the thing. Okay, thank you so much, Azur. Azur, whatever. Yeah. Look at this other guy just chilling. Oh, bro's on robot age. Okay. We won because of Azur. That's very kind of him. I should actually help him with his cats next time. Okay. Yo, my army's getting built back up. My army of cats is getting built again. And they never have to get hurt. Yo. They're just glitched inside of each other. Bro, there's just one cat just chilling here by me. Yo, look at the cannonballs go. Look at him go. So many cannonballs, bro. Yes, let's go. Thank you, cats and Azur. Thank you, everybody here. Let's go. Okay. Hey, can we? No. No. Tick, tick, far. Oh, the blue cats. Blue's my favorite color. Blue cats are gonna be my favorite animal now. Sorry, blue cat. You're gonna have to die. Yo! It's like Bo just exploded himself. Well, they didn't really even have time to get close to us, bro. Like as soon as they get closer, 267. My army of cats here. Arise again. Oh, what is this? What are they holding? Like trumpets or something? You are my cannonball cat, sexy. Okay, that's a better cannonball than mine, but no match for all these guys. So we're barely doing any damage, bro. Yeah, I think we can, yeah, evolve now. I wonder if there's a way to actually devolve. But what if we actually win this? That'd be kind of crazy. Like, ain't no way, bro. Like, no way we're gonna win. Oh my god, 2 of these cannonball cats. Well, I still don't match for these cats. Yo, look at this, bro. You imagine we actually win? Oh, lag. Oh my. Look at these cats. Oh no, final wave. My cannonball cats go. Win this? Oh no. My army of cannonball cats are dead. No. No, we're so close, but we're final wave. Oh, look how money we got. Look how much money we have. Yo, we're sitting down in midair. Ha ha ha. Hello? We respawned. No, that wasted all my money, bro. No. Hey, I could buy some eggs. Hatch. I know. Hatch, wolf. Hatch, wolf. Hey, that's pretty good. We got some wolves. How many wolves do I have on me? I'm just gonna fuse all of them. They equip my best. Oh, I have a level 3 hyena now. Let's go. Fencer. No, I hate waiting for fish to come. I'm just gonna go here. We're just beating up the cats. Yes, you can see my cats. Oh, this girl just did it though. I'm just getting money here, just chilling, doing nothing, really. Yeah, their base is cooked, for sure. After the next evolution, it'll be end for today's video. Okay, guys, got that? Let's go. We just won. 6, 7, 8. Meow meow. As you can see, he's cooked. As you can see, they're cooked. Yo, they just attack him and he'd be like, okay, so you want to attack me, huh? Okay, I'll attack you back. Yo, a lot of just spawning on him, bro. Okay. Peace up here. Wait, can I get onto my base somehow? Oh, I can. Hey, that's pretty cool. Okay. Let's go. We won. For a second, I was floating. When you punch, you float. You can see him float a little. Boom! I'm floating. I'm floating. 3, 4, please. Okay. Oh, I got fish pretty fast now. Oh. Okay. I remember the stage. They actually have cannonball launchers, bro. I wonder when the modern age is gonna come for like this modern age. What's the next stage anyways? Yeah, we're just chilling there. He's actually got a nice avatar. Yo, look at all these cats here! Oh, she came and helped me again. Yo, she has like a lot of cheetahs. She has 3 cheetahs, bro. Poor her, she can't get any good pets. No, not cheetahs, I mean hyenas. Sorry, cheetah. Sorry, hyenas. Yo, look how much money I'm getting. Let's go. Shout out to all cats. Blue cats. Fish production deserves to be upgraded. A lot. How much do we need? Apocalypse Age. $1 million! So, $1 million. So, Apocalypse Age is basically going to be the modern age for this timeline too. Because I remember, if I'm correct, last time it was Apocalypse, when it was going to become modern age for the next evolution, to become modern age, it costed $1 million. But they just killed each other. The 2 blue cats just killed each other. Yo, did I just... I can go through walls! Top kills. Am I on here? No. No. I deserve to be on here. Top 10. 265, bro. Wow. What about me? What about me? Yo, people have been playing for 3 days now. Somebody's been playing for 30 days. I don't even know what's going on. Oh! 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 Yo, what's going on here? What am I seeing here? What am I seeing here? We're actually kind of cooking. Yo, bro, what? You what? Yo, we just won? And we still have the first cat? That's actually kind of crazy, bro. Okay, this is the modern age. Why does it look broken? The windows are broken. Literally. Ooh. Oh. Okay. I want to try the cannonball. What is? Wait, what does he have? Is that a sniper? What chainsaw? But what is that? What is he holding? But what are they holding? What was that? Okay, let's go back in age. So we can battle with my first cats only. I'm just gonna go check out other people's base. Help them out a little. And since when did I do 13 attack damage? Yeah, I'm gonna help her. Oh yeah, I'm also gonna go help Azora if he's still around. Oh, he's around. I'm gonna help him. There you go. There you go. Did I help you? I'm helping you for helping me, okay? Everybody who helps me deserves to get a, deserves to get a help back. Oh no, bro. Why are you spawning no cats? Okay, there you go. There you go. He was saving up for like a big spawn. Big spawn. Dude, that's actually kind of cool. How high is this attack damage anyways, bro? I'm helping him a lot, though. Dude, where am I getting this money from anyways? See, look. You can beat this first part with just enough fish. Like this, how much fast I'm getting a fish. With the first cat. 1.83 seconds. 83 seconds. That's how. And you actually can get more money. I'm just gonna do this method, Mo. Azur, do you need help? I don't think he needs help. Seems like, what is he even doing? Oh. Is he waiting for the spawn? I'm just helping him cook now. I'm just clicking the click button, like the button where you punch, but I'm just clicking the first cat out. So you can see my base a little from here, but look how many blue cats are coming in. Yeah, just grind here. Yeah, thank you for helping me, Azur. And Evangelina. She also helped me a little. But Azur helped me a little bit more, so yeah. I'm gonna help him even more. Yo, you can see my cat's cooking the base over there. Yo, I just won, bro! Bro, look how much money I'm getting from that. Oh my god, he just did a big spawn again. This cat's easy to grind. What? Yo, they jump scared me. What age are they on? Are they on Indian age? Oh. He's actually kind of weaker than me. Bro, look what's happening. Oh, he's just doing nothing. You won. You won. You won. Are you happy now? Okay, let's go check over my base. I'm gonna help my server people. Kids who are in my server. Oh, nice big spawn. Yeah, that's pretty good. Hey, I wish to just doing this drones. I'm helping. Totally. Yo, I'm just getting money. I'm getting money from that. So it's kind of like this and that. Yo, I just won. Okay, we started the battle again. Oh wait, I have enough. My base just died from nothing. Evolve! Apocalypse Age! Kaboom! Oh, that's pretty good. Well guys, that'll be the end for today's video. Ooh, Space Age. That'd be cool. We'll see you next time. Everybody, goodbye. Shout out to Evangelina and Azur, my server friends, and peace.